What's going on, my zesty friends? My name is Nova Cherry, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be doing adventures, and I am with my brother, Maximus. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, that's Max. So, let's just get right into it. I don't know what else to say. Alright. Which one do you want to do?
I don't care.
Alright, I was gonna honestly click the training grounds, but that wouldn't have worked. Host an adventure, come on. Wait, hang on, I need to be my- Okay. Alright, now we're ready to go. Let's do this. Join the adventure, come on! Alright.
Gotta get you there.
Oh my gosh. Shut up, Liza. Max has to fart. That was wimpy. Oh my god. I can do better than that.
Cut that out.
I'm not going to. Alright. That in there. Boom. Where are you going?
I have a cork.
Well, yeah, the pipes are over here now. Dum-dum.
Cash money. Not very cash money, if you ask me. Hello, the other cork up there.
Can you do anything without getting your butt handed to you by these phantoms?
This is you.
I haven't taken Never mind. Hush up, okay?
Very cash money.
Gosh. I've already lost track of the cork. Oh wait, you got it. Okay.
I don't know where the pipe is.
God
The
darn
pipe.
gems. I'm trying not to swear.
That's kind of hard since that's the only thing we know how to do.
Yep, usually we're sailors when it comes to this game. Especially when we get mad. Please never do that again. Max is now a zombie. Alright, that's... I mean, sort of.
Doritos!
Stop with the frog noises, it's getting annoying. Ribbit. Oh my gosh.
Where are the other plants?
I've got him. I'm doing this. It's my time to shine, okay? My time to shine, baby. Hell yeah. I am lagging. Okay, let's go.
You were downstairs for me. Hey, I got the key.
Race ya.
Got a head start.
Okay.
You should really go to head start because that's your grade levels. Oh.
Please never do that again. Come on, hurry up! Yay.
Phantom! Yeah.
Phantom?
That was not very cash money.
What is it with you and saying cash money? Ooh. Let's just give you some non-member junk. You have a wreath necklace. Swag.
I got a turkey. I can sell all the stuff I don't use for gems.
Gobble gobble.
Gobble gobble, motherfucker.
Okay, I'm gonna have to edit that out.
I never said the CK part, I said fuck.
Don't!
So it's not very cash money. Oh my goodness.
Hang on, there's still this dude back here. Be careful.
For everything, oh my.
I'm even gonna ask what that noise was.
I don't think they heard it.
To lure it down here so that I almost did the piranha plant. What is this, Mario?
I miss
Come
Mario.
on.
We already beat the game and now it's boring.
Yeah, we completed Mario Bros. Wii, and now we don't have anything else to do because that's all we did.
Besides Mario Kart, in
yeah.
which all we do. I found another key.
Okay, good. Pick it up. Come on, you one-eyed derpy octopus.
It's not even an octopus. It's literally a helicopter.
His gender is attack helicopter.
What?
Yay, gems.
It literally gave me a pop-up saying, "Do you want to switch items?"
Yeah, you can't carry 2 keys at once.
I didn't even mean to click on it.
Nom. Alright.
Is it just move or did that just move?
It did.
Sorry, an object. Oh my god, that's scary. Oh, watch this. Oh, juked! Oh no, not juked. Cheese. Say it right, cheese.
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 Say it correct. Pelosi. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
See, this is why no one watches my videos.
At least it's not as bad as my old TikTok series.
Your TikToks were actually good.
And one of the reasons why I quit TikTok was because of the disturbing imagery on that app. And also because it got boring.
Yeah, I guess. I don't use TikTok that much anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, I found the key. Are you stuck?
Oh, I thought I was. I got stuck in a tree.
I'm stuck in a tree! Okay. Get your fuzzy tail out of there. Shut up, Liza.
I always thought her name was Eliza.
No, it's just Liza. I got a bunny sign.
I got a wheelbarrow.
Okay, time to put this in my den now.
Lol.
Yay.
Lol.
Running with the devil.
Dying in a fountain.
Get out of my fountain, you're not allowed in there.
Already.
Alright, I've officially lost faith in humanity on this game.
What?
Diamond only? Heck yeah. Oh, I don't have any. Gosh.
That was sad.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm poor.
You're not poor, you're just stupid with your money.
I'm just really lazy.
Why don't you ever have diamonds from spins?
Because I use them all on den items and clothing, like you're supposed to.
That's the issue.
Alright, that's gonna do it for today. I got work to do again, so... thank you, Max, for joining me. Alright. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like down below. Like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, all that jazz. And I'll see you all later. Say bye.
Yeah!
Bye.